interesting because I don't want to answer it from a research perspective, but you know, just to give a different dimension to the discussion, because she talked about price and talked about economy, and somebody here talked about simplicity. You see, this whole concept is, and if you think of it as simplified computing, okay, this whole concept is not taking independent pieces and putting them together at one place, because then what you're doing is you just take 4 bricks and you put together and you make a big pile of 4 bricks. That's one way you can do integration. But that's not as well interlocked. And that doesn't really bring you any efficiency or cost saving. And if it doesn't bring you efficiency and cost saving, you do not bring any true value down the line. So then it becomes a pricing game. If you look at the smart business concept, it is not about taking 4 bricks and piling them up together and saying, no, this is one small wall. It is about actually carving them out, and that's where, by the way, research comes in. So it's not fundamental, it's not basic science research, but it is solution research. That's where the ISV, IBM, software team, SPG team, we work together to say, how do you make it like an interlocked set of pieces and not just 4 pieces piled upon each other, so that they can deliver more efficiency, more value at a lower cost that brings benefit to the customer. So the fundamental difference, and that's why it is a smart business offering and not just a solution bundle. You hear about solution bundles every day. I take this guy and put it all together and go sell to the marketplace. That does not always bring true value to the customer. True value to the customer in this case is coming from the fact that this is integrated and therefore an element of efficiency, of cost optimization. The value to the customer is coming from the ease of decision making. So the way they can learn about this. The value to the customer is coming from support, which is coming from IBM. The value to the customer is coming through our partners who are actually helping them, decide, design, and delivering this solution. And of course, the economic value, of the entire solution, the price, the benefits that follow. So that's a little bit of a differentiation here. I just wanted to highlight, since you did raise the research point. And so it is not just 2 sales guys getting together. It does involve, and that's to the question again, which was of how many ISVs. The question is not how many ISVs or how many applications. How many applications can you really go and integrate it so smartly that it brings tremendous value to the customer is what becomes very critical. So I just wanted to make sure that point is highlighted.
And there's a little more addition. There's a lot of customer research being done. This is not the technology research, but we've done a lot of customer research.
Any other questions?